The Audi logo consists of 4 interlocking rings, which have a significant historical and symbolic meaning. Origin: the Audi logo originated from the merger of 4 independent automobile manufacturers in Germany in the early 20th century: Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer. These companies came together in 1932 to form Auto Union AG, with each ring representing one of the 4 founding companies. Representation of unity. The 4 rings symbolize the unity and collaboration among the 4 original companies under the Auto Union umbrella. Each ring represents one of the companies, and their interlocking arrangement signifies their integration and cooperation. Auto Union's creation marked an important moment in German automotive history, bringing together several prominent manufacturers to strengthen their position in the market and streamline production efforts. Evolution of Audi. While Auto Union initially produced vehicles under separate brand names, Audi eventually emerged as the primary brand within the group. Over time, Audi's success led to the prominence of its name and logo, with the 4 rings becoming closely associated with the Audi brand. In summary, the Audi logo's 4 interlocking rings symbolize the unity, collaboration, and historical significance of the 4 original companies that formed Auto Union AG, which later evolved into the Audi brand as we know it today.